In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable auto-staking on Coinbase. Auto-staking lets your eligible crypto automatically join a staking pool and keep compounding rewards over time, so you don't have to remember to restake manually. It's a simple way to make your holdings work a little harder while you hold. Start by signing into your Coinbase account, either in the mobile app or on the website. Once you're in, head to My Assets and select the cryptocurrency you want to stake. Popular choices include Ethereum and Solana, but the exact options you see will depend on eligibility in your region and the asset itself. On the Assets page, scroll to the Staking section. Open the staking details by selecting the three vertical dots or the small menu icon. In that menu, look for automatic earning and toggle it on. From that point forward, any existing balance of that asset, along with future purchases, will automatically be added to your stake, allowing your rewards to compound without extra steps on your part. If you don't have the app yet or prefer to use the website, I've placed the official Coinbase app download links and the website link right at the very top of the description to help you get to the correct place quickly and safely. If you're brand new to staking on that asset, you may see a button labeled Stake Now on the asset page. Click or tap that once to enable staking for the first time. After that, you'll be able to use the automatic earning toggle. A couple of important details to keep in mind. You must be in an eligible location, and your identity needs to be verified to use staking. If you want to stop, you can turn off auto-staking or choose to unstake your assets at any time. Just be aware that some networks have an unbonding period, meaning there can be a delay before your funds are available to move or trade. Coinbase will show timing estimates where applicable, so you know what to expect. For certain assets like ADA, balances held in your account may be staked automatically by design, so you might not see the same toggle. And remember, Coinbase charges a commission on staking rewards. You can review the current rate on the asset's staking screen before you proceed. That's all it takes. Enable automatic earning once, and let your eligible holdings compound over time. If this walkthrough helped, give it a thumbs up, check the links at the top of the description, and subscribe for more clear, step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching.